Your best carpenter comes to you on a Friday afternoon. Bit awkward, bit nervous. Boss, my visa runs out in a few months. And you say the same thing almost every builder in this country says. Mate, I have no idea. So you do nothing and a few months later, you lose him. You don't have to. We do this every day. We are nationwide migration. We are a team of registered migration agents, and employer-sponsored visas are what we do. We work with building and construction businesses right across Australia, and we keep their people on site. If you have got a good worker and his visa is running out, we can almost certainly help you keep him. Now here's why that matters more than you think. Let's be honest about the market you're operating in. Every single construction trade in this country is in national shortage. That's not us saying it. That's Jobs and Skills Australia, the government's own agency. Every one of them. And trade vacancies get filled just 57% of the time. Trades are the hardest roles to fill in the entire Australian economy. Now look at the pipeline that's supposed to fix it. Last year, more than 28,000 construction apprentices quit before finishing. More walked away than completed. Apprentice numbers hit a 5-year low. Denita Vaughan, the CEO of Masters Builders Australia, said it better than we could. She said, "We don't have enough apprentices starting out, and we aren't keeping enough of the ones we do have. And the bricklayers, the tilers, the roofers, the chippies, according to the HIA, availability is getting worse, not better." So understand what's really at stake when your worker tells you his visa is expiring. You're not losing one person. You're losing a trained, site-ready tradesman. And the queue to replace him does not exist. Meanwhile, every builder in your area is chasing that exact same person. He will get approached. That's not a maybe. Now here's the good news, and it's genuinely good. There is a legal pathway to keep him. Most builders just don't know it exists. There are 3 employer-sponsored visas, and one of them will usually fit. There's the 482 that keeps him working for you for up to 4 years. There's no age limit on it, and he only needs 12 months work experience. That's the fastest route when the clock is ticking. Then there is 186, that's permanent residency. If he's worked for you for 2 years, that door opens, and he's yours for good. And then there is the 494. If you're outside Metro Sydney, Melbourne or Brisbane, this one covers a much broader list of occupations. The Gold Coast counts, Newcastle counts, Wollongong, Perth, Adelaide, all of Tasmania. Most builders have never heard of it. Now, which one is right depends on your worker and on your business. That's our job, not yours. You don't need to figure this out. But there is one thing you do need to know. Timing is everything. Depending on which passport your worker holds, he may need a formal skills assessment before any visa can be granted, and that takes months. So if he's told you his visa is expiring, the worst thing you can do is wait. So next time your worker comes to you and says his visa is running out, and you value him and you want to keep him, don't say, "I have no idea." Just call us. Bring us 3 things. 1, his visa expiry date. 2, what passport he holds. 3, what he actually does on site, the real job, not the payroll title. That's it. From there, we'll tell you honestly whether we can keep him, which visa fits, and how long we've got. We've done this for builders and construction businesses all over the country. We can very likely keep your worker on your site for the next 2 to 4 years, and often permanently. You're not going to hire your way out of this shortage, but you can keep the good people you have already got. Book a consultation. The link is in the description. Don't wait until he's got 60 days left. By then, some of these doors are already closed.